Okay, step number 2 is knowing your numbers. So 2 numbers you have to know is your ARV and your comps. What is ARV? That stands for after repair value. This is the number that tells you what you can actually sell your house for, or what your house will be worth when you actually fix it up. Secondly is your rehab costs. How much does it actually cost to repair this dilapidated home or distressed home that you found in step number 1 when you were driving for dollars, or you got that call from your bandit sign? So those are 2 areas that you need to know. So how do you find the ARV? Remember that realtor that we told you to link up with in step number 1? This realtor will also be able to pull comps from the MLS, which is also the multiple listing service. So these comps are short for comparables, and comparables are similar houses in the area that are similar to yours. So for example, if you find a property that's a 3-bed, 2-bath home, 1,000 square feet, you're gonna wanna look at other homes that are similar to yours that are also 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and is also within 100 to 200 square feet, either bigger or smaller than yours. So that is how you find comparables, is using the MLS through a realtor. We personally do not use third-party sites like Zillow or Trulia or Redfin or Realtor.com, because those sites can sometimes have incorrect information. So the MLS is our bread and butter for getting accurate comparables so you can determine your ARV. Secondly is your repair costs. How do I know? Courtney, I've never flipped a property in my life. I don't know how much this costs. This is where having a reliable general contractor or contractors come in. We advise you to get 2 to 3 bids, which will tell you how much you can expect to spend on your rehab costs. So for example, if you have a dilapidated house and you're a new investor, we rely on contractors to tell us 2 to 3 bids from contractors to tell us how much it will cost. How do you know that? I don't know what's done, what needs to be done. How do I even know what to give a contractor? This is where we come in. We realize that if you're a new investor, you don't know much about the house. We actually offer scope of work templates where it's easy for you to maneuver and manipulate what needs to be done in the house. So we have those available in our Petway toolbox. You can download those now, and you can give those to your contractors and they can just bid on them. And they usually take anywhere between 2 to 4 days to give you a bid. So get 2 to 3 of those, and then you're able to get your repair costs, you have your ARV from your realtor, and you're ready to go to step number 3.